In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to leave a group chat in Microsoft Teams. Now, whether you're looking to declutter your chat list or simply need a break from a discussion, it's easy to leave a group. Let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step. First things first, you need to access Microsoft Teams. So, start by opening up your preferred web browser and typing in Teams, Microsoft.com. Once you're there, go ahead and sign in with your Microsoft account. This is the same account you use for other Microsoft services, and if you're already logged in, you might be taken straight to your Teams dashboard without further ado. Once you're all logged in and ready to go, the next step is to open the Chat tab. You'll notice this on the sidebar, usually represented by a speech bubble icon. This is where all your one-on-one and group conversations live. Clicking on this will bring up your list of chats, making it easy for you to find exactly what you're looking for. Now, in this section, you want to locate the specific group chat you wish to leave. Scroll through your list, or use the search bar if you have a lot of messages and want to find it quickly. Once you've found the group chat, click on it, and you'll be inside the conversation. With the chat open, look towards the top right corner of the chat window. You'll see three little dots, which is the menu icon, often referred to as the More Options menu. Click on those three dots and a drop-down menu will appear. From there, you'll see several options, and what you're looking for is the option that says Leave. Go ahead and click Leave, and there you have it. By clicking Leave Yaban, you'll be instantly removed from the chat. This means you won't receive any new messages or notifications from that group conversation. It's important to remember that once you leave, you will not have access to the previous messages in that chat. If you need any old information, make sure you grab it before you hit that Leave button. Hopefully, this guide has made it clear and simple for you to leave a group chat in Microsoft Teams. Decluttering your workspace can be helpful, and knowing you can easily step out of a chat when needed gives you more control over your communication channels. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, be sure to check out our other tutorials to make the most of your Microsoft Teams experience.